Welcome to Dairy Farm Pest Control number 30 with the FX Maverick Compact in 22. So, picking up where number 29 left off, still at my favorite dairy farm. Take out that guy and then I spot these two up there. So I shoot this one, and unfortunately, as it happens every now and then, I had to do a follow-up shot on this guy, so he decided to start walking away, so just timed it and was able to put him out of his misery, so that was good. And then spot these guys and think I'm going to line up and take him, and no. But this one still stays, so what the heck, we'll try him. And success. Walking over to the barn, and there he is on the ground. Got these three, and one facing away looks like a better shot, so I take him out. And then I spot this guy up at the top of that roof and able to line up and take him. Just dropped him, so that was a pretty good shot. This one's sitting so pretty by the fans. And there he drops in with the cows. This guy comes in, I'm thinking yes, yes, and no, he jumps in. But there's another one that came with him, so take him out, happy with that. This is a nice 60-yard shot. And you think he's going to be okay? No, he's doing the crash and burn. Ding, gone. So, just happy I got that starling. This one's above me. Take him out. And spot him. And he goes gliding. And he goes in with the girls. So, there he is. See him wave with his wing, so he didn't get that far. This one's on top of my neighbor's roof. We had a nesting pair of starlings there, so helped them out and took that one out. And now I'm at a different dairy farm, and he has a lot of nesting birds, so you know, May 1st is perfect nesting time, so the bulk of the rest of these shots are going to be sparrows and starlings. And I love nesting season because they have to come back. They want to feed their babies, so all I got to do is just kind of hide by a pole and keep looking around and pick them off as they come into the land before they go to the nest. So the farmer was pretty happy that I was able to get so many of these today. So I'll just let you watch and enjoy and add commentary as needed. Oh, we know what happened to this poor guy. That's great. And get him. This guy's sitting so nice on the far roof, so it's a nice 40-yard shot. Spot these two. Take out one of them. One goes up, the other goes down. Hanger. Can't believe he hung on that thing, but he did. Oh, so frustrating. But luckily he did not go that far. So I was happy about that. And this one I got to move just slightly to the left so I can shoot between that fence, and I'm able to take him out. Most of these shots are all 35, 40. This one, oh no, too slow. But he didn't go far either, so I was happy about that. Here's a nice 50-yard shot. This one just drops. He never moved. He never fell. He's still up there today. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. A lot of sparrows in this barn. A lot of starlings in this barn too, but is he going to get away? No. No. I think I'm going to get him. He jumps away, but this guy stayed there. It's not easy shooting behind that screen he's got up there, but every now and then you get lucky. This guy thinks he's safe. You safe? You really think you're safe? Peek over. Let me see you. One more time. Thank you. And this should be the last shot. And that's it. So, thanks for watching.